Got it. What about when you were governor of Florida, you supported driver's licenses for in-state illegal immigrants. You also supported in-state tuition rates for the children of illegal immigrants. And your critics say, well, those are magnets. That will encourage more illegal immigration.
Well, it didn't happen in Florida. I proposed support of a state senator's bill that never even got a hearing. As it relates to in-state tuition, it passed this year. A conservative Republican legislature, led by a very courageous Speaker of the House, Will Weatherford, passed this, and the governor signed it into law. It didn't happen under my watch, but I supported that. Because if you've been here for an extended period of time, you have no nexus to the country of your parents, what are we supposed to do? Marginalize these people forever? I mean, there's got to be a point where we fix this system so that legal immigration is easier than illegal immigration, and show some respect for people, a kid that might have been here 10 years, that may be a valedictorian of their high school, to say, no, 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 you're not allowed to go to college. I just think there's a point past which we're over the line. I do understand and respect people's sentiments and frustrations about this broken system, and I totally understand why people are upset when Barack Obama, with just a stroke of a pen through executive action, takes unconstitutional actions.
What about that? Would you reverse that if you became president?
Absolutely, I would.
Because I talked to Marco Rubio about this. He had said, look, it's going to be very difficult to undo that once all these folks are here, and, if that legal challenge to his action does not succeed.
By the way, I think it will succeed.
But how would you undo it once those folks are here?
Passing meaningful reform of immigration and make it part of it.
Would you support the Senate bill that did not pass?
I would have had a different bill that was based on the, my deeply held views on this, but I would have supported that to get beyond this, sure. And it was a bill that I think there should have been more efforts made to get something like that passed. The criticisms of the bill, in my mind, was way too complex, hard to understand, but they made a good effort to narrow family petitioning and expand economic immigrants, which is what we need to do. 15% of the immigrants coming to our country come for economic purposes. In Canada, there are more economic immigrants than the United States, and they have 1/10 our population. Which system is going to be the one that creates investment and job growth and income growth and productivity growth? Ours, which has family as the driver of legal immigration, or Canada's?